Welcome. In this video we will learn about various operators used in Python. Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. The value that the operator operates on is called operand. I have my directory which is created, one directory which contains my file. I have written script for this. Open operators.py. I have declared example for various operators. Print arithmetic operators. Let's first discuss about arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. X is equal to 15, y is equal to 4. Declare two variables x and y here. Here output should be x plus y equals to 19. So print x plus y equals to comma x plus y. The two values added using plus operator. Then subtraction equals to 11 minus operator. Then multiplication, division. The two values added using plus operator for omitting fractional values, that is 3. Now exponent left operand raised to the power of right, and here we will do it for x to the power of y. This is how we can do it for arithmetic operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. Print comparison operator x is equal to 10, y is equal to 12. Declare two variables x and y for operating on comparison operators. Output x greater than y is false. Print x greater than y is x greater than y. The greater than true if left operand is greater than the right. X less than y is true if left operand is less than the right. Next is x equals to y is false. The next is not equal to, true if operands are not equal. Greater than or equal to, true if left operand is greater than or equal to the right. Next is less than or equals to, true if left operand is less than or equal to right. This is how we can operate on the comparison operators. Now we will discuss about logical operators. Logical operators are the AND or NOT operators. Print logical operators. X is equal to true, y equals to false. Declare two variables x and y for operating on logical operators. Output x and y is false. X and y is true if both operands are true. Here the output is basically false. The next is x or y, true if either of the operator is true. Next is not x is true if operand is false. Now we will discuss about the identity operators. They are used to check if two values are located on the same part of the memory. Two variables that are equal does not imply that they are identical. Print identity operator x1, y1, x2, y2. As you can see, the values assigned. Here you can see that x1 and y1 are integer of some values. So they are equal as well as identical. Same is the case with x2 and y2 strings. But x3 and y3 are the list. They are equal but not identical. Since lists are immutable, interpreter locates them separately in memory, although they are equal. Print x1 is not y1, true if operands are not identical. Print x2 is y2, true if operands are identical. Print x3 is y3, true if operands are identical. Now let's move to the membership operators. They are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence. In a dictionary, we can only test for presence of a key not the variable. Print membership operators. X equal to hello world, y equals to 1a to b. Here is my simple string. I have one dictionary, y, here for the key and the value. Print h in x, print hello not in the x, print 1 in y, print a in y. Here h is in the x but hello is not present in the x. Remember, Python is case sensitive. Similarly, 1 is a key and a is a value in dictionary y. Hence a in y returns false. Let's move to the output now. Open the terminal, run the command as python operators.py. You can see that it printed all the operations there. You can see that all the operations are done and you can compare your result for all the operations. Like this, you can try it for many different operators like bitwise and assignment operators. That's it in this video on Python operators. Thank you for watching this video.